Yadom. Jesus. Chale. Kwaku Smoke say Shatta Wale go jive in song. Today, when they take this one, comes. Oh yeah! What's up, my people? It's your boy Tafa back in the top web. Hey, if it's your first time out here, consider subscribing to this channel because here we drop major keys with the real deal. As the real deal, no? Hey, today's episode is sponsored by Gracie Frey Hair and Wigs. Charlie, that is the #1 stop that you need to be ordering your custom handmade wigs. And trust me, 250% density. You're definitely gonna love it. You're gonna see their contact down below. Contact them on their Instagram page and their email as well, and you'll definitely be served right. So yeah, Charlie, it's hot on the seat today. Trust me, it's mad. It's mad. I'm proper hyped, my people. I'm proper hyped because the news on the desk right now, Chico, it just be mind overing. You understand? So yeah, this one I foresee my eye top the top this thing. Kwaku Smoke, you understand? Couple of days ago released a video, you know, attacking one on pa. One on pa. See, the thought of it alone they over my head. But yeah, this be how the vibe day. Kwaku Smoke say first and foremost, Shatta Wale jive in song. It not be the vibe say, oh, it can't steal the whole song, but the vibe be say, it's still the song in vibe to do in. Charlie, this one they ask a Kojo Sheldon when you shut out. By this time, Kojo Sheldon this be how he react to her.
Assembly river.
So yeah, this be how the level day. Kwaku Smoke in a video that he dropped on all his social media platforms addressed Shatta Wale that Shatta Wale has stolen or has taken some kind of vibe from a song that he, Kwaku Smoke, dropped just on the 8th of November.
We dey come on them, celebrate on them, more success on them, jubilate. Hey, ekamu kwa kiyahu, ni amoye ni sumasi nyina yahu, afie urantu akra mobetu, mabi ayeko bi anyamiti ni yebedru. On them, I feel we dey bring the fire on them, I feel we dey bring the fire on them.
I believe he dropped it in the sense, see, after Shatta Wale dropped some video, you know, Shatta Wale dropped a video on his Instagram account. You know, he's that type that he alerts his people that, yo, this song is coming, then he will make them feel some more on his page and stuff of that sort. You understand? Exactly. So yeah, the level can't end up that way where Kwaku Smoke see that and he say, Chico, you did trespass. This level, Chico, this one here I for step inside. Why? Because this vibe be my vibe. Some time back where we meet for your side day where I give you the song. Say Charlie, listen the vibe where we listen on a vibes, on a songs and things. Where at the end of the day I tell you say this be the song. You feel me? Yeah, so at the back drop some verse on and so say it go feel blow up. You feel the vibe? Yeah, but itself according to Shatta Wale to send them song. So you did make a no talk play thing. Mo could hear what Kwaku Smoke he talk for the first video inside.
First of all, I know say what I can't talk. People go hate me, people go insult me because of this. I know they care. I did there, I see say Shatta Wale tweet about me say they like my vibe. I dey respect that. He be big artist. I go in house, we dey in studio, we all with the vibe together. I dey play him some of my songs, then things. Each way they play me some of his songs. I play you some song, this year I dey want make you jump on them. You give me your song, say you dey want make I jump on them. I do them nicely. I send give you. I give you song. If you no go do, you no go do. If you go do, you go do. Why I go give you song, then you go carry the vibe, do like you dey want twist them. Our smart we say you dey want do love song with the vibe. I beg. Wow, I no want talk anything. Then later, people that don't know what they happen go talk say this boy when he come. Why you know the respect? I beg. I did my lane inside. As I did, everybody know. I know they go to anybody. Cause I know how people dey. If you they love me, I they love you. If you know they love me, I know they love you. You get only God know the reason why you talk say you won't sign me. He delay. Cause me self then I the one sign. Only God knows. If be this thing like you go take do me. Why you people, you big people, we they look up to you, then you go do these things. Why?
So yeah, my people, that was the first video. Now, this is the video that, or let me say, this is the song that Shatta Wale dropped on his Instagram account when he was jamming to it. So yeah, Moko listen, then feel that video, and I dey beg. More video ni ye na muntie nyo. You understand? Cause that be where the fire day. You feel me? That be the video.
Champagne, for your body, reachability, for your ace, is an address, show your ease, on them, my baby, on them, show them, your Gucci bag, show them, is an on them, my baby, on them, show them, your Gucci bag, show them, is an
So yeah, my people, this is what Coco Smoke is talking about. The on them in quotes vibe Coco Smoke they talk about. See, Shatta Wale come steal the vibe. Why? Because he is big. Why? Because Shatta Wale they feel say, you know, if he do wild, you know, over this thing fast as possible, then drop it, it go over Coco Smoke in vibe. You feel the vibe? Yeah. But me first and foremost, as I see that video on Twitter, because they me already follow him for Instagram. You feel the vibe? As I see the video on Twitter, I say, this thing be hype. You feel the vibe? But something happened not long ago. Less than even 24 hours. What did I mention that say? That's why I try to be to they give you. So yeah, this be the vibe with it hopping. Coco Smoke son drop another video. And he say, hey, I bring you on you. So yeah, Coco Smoke dropped another video saying, Charlie, if nobody will buy plus upset, it still will tell it right. This be what I feel about the guy. You don't feel who? So yeah, this be how the thing is. Coco Smoke still there on the ground. Where this time around, it can't prove we wrong. Say Charlie, the thing be true. But still, me deep down within me, part here. Shatta was still song say. Upon the song Shatta it. Upon the Melissa it. Upon the songs he did there, he dey sing songs same then Shatta he dey forget in own song. He go radio station. And you want to talk why they forget it. So why you come sit with this small boy song? You feel the vibe? Yeah, but I'm not gonna talk it. We could just dive into a more. You feel me? So yeah, Chico, this be how the thing it can happen. Who's this say? And you know where we are. But as we see him, we could talk about the thing better. You know, be now you can't tell me say you go beat me and sense the coffee be me my boy. When the nigga prove am say Chico, me as I dey go school self, I skip school can't dey him, I can't hustle like 1 year. Can't do my things for there. So it no be some BTs we are not clean before. It no be some question things too and no question. They no question be so before. Chico as I hear that me say, I want the guy kill me. Make I not talk late. Moku watch in video, he drop punches. Drop the facts. Where he go prove say it be true. This be the video.
I dey greet you, big man Wale. I dey do this video personally to tag you, Bossu. See, you know me, you know say Smoke, me I dey respect you from head to toe. Bossu, when you know yourself, say me, I never go leave God can't fear you. It never go happen. Something happen, I come to your studio with my song. You get that on them song. We vibed for the studio there with my song. You try to do a vibe on Namsef. I get the video, the emails, everything for here. It be like a month now. I dey wait for the verse. Next minute I see you do some song with the same vibe. You get where I tell Boro say make you can't tell you say I use the vibe. So make we focus on them, cause me I send you self. We did the studio there we play. Say I dey want a verse from you. I don't want put the song out. He come out with your own on them, the same vibe. People go talk say it's either I steal from you or you steal from me. You know be clean. Nobody mind me. Next minute you can't post for Instagram. That means say you dey bring the song out. Boss with me a boy, I can't talk my mind. You boy, you dey talk your mind. Nobody dey stop you. Boss with me a boy, I can't talk my mind. You hear this, you can't call me say if I no see you 1 hour, I go beat you out. See boss you no need look for me. Me everywhere you dey, they are me. I go show up, make your boy stretch me, make you beat me and you tire, I go come my house. You get now I know the film. My people can't take my car. They say you go bend the car. You go bend the car so make I no drive again. But I tell Boro, you know, I tell am say you no need look for me bend my car. Me, I go meet you with the car, make you bend am. You bend am finish, I go come my house. I get nothing to lose. See this boy, they see me at the top floor. No need push me. You get at the top floor. I get nothing to lose. So these things you go do to me, if that be the only way you go take prove yourself, then you be loser. Cause something come, you for analyze them. See the song they here. See, take a play show you.
On them. I feel with the bring the fire on them.
Make a play your own too. I dey come. 1 minute. You see, it be the same vibe on them. I tell you, boss, I tell the graph them, make them tell you. Say, people go, yesterday, you see, I post the song, people come, hey, you still want to invite. Boss, you know yourself, when I send this song to you, you get something happen. Moku analyze them. What he happen now? You talk say you go make a leave Ghana music industry. Then see me. I did see my monitors this, my mic then things. I do the music for year. I dey feel sleep for bed then listen. They make me happy. Something happen. Moku, oh Smoke, you be my boy. Why you do this thing? Who is? But make you no do like Smoke. I meet him. I go beat him. Yesterday, see this thing you go talk or see. He dey here.
You be my brother. You be my listen.
You them Boro they talk or he send me say Smoke, you see what you make Wale, they tell me, you see what they put me through. Bosu, I don't put anybody through anything. I tell you people from the very beginning, nobody mind me. Now make nobody can tell me anything.
So yeah, my people, the way they think they think say ni me yan. Say they ask a Kojo Sheldon we yan. Cause the way that boy, he defeated tell Shatta Wale in mind. But yeah, no long thing. Make a note down below the comment section. What you think? You think say what Koku Smoke they talk? It really gets some vantage points where they talk? Or you think say as Shatta no talk yet? Cause you know, one way or the other, you say some part of the video, Koku Smoke talk say he sent Boro. I don't know say if you be the Nana Boro, if you talk about it there. You understand? Hey, when I own Michael Jackson, yeah. I don't know say right now if he bleach in the go down small there, but yeah. I don't know. Say if it be where he send them go Shatta in there. You feel the vibe? Yeah, where he go tell Shatta say Chico. The thing they do here, Chico, I say Konan with you. Cause we know say Charlie. Shatta then Koku Smoke there. Chico. I say my fire FM. You feel the vibe? Yeah. So Charlie, me personally, I think there's still more to the story. You feel the vibe? There is still more to the story. Why, in a sense, Shatta Wale still no talk any better thing out yet? Because I'm Shatta this time go Facebook live. You feel the vibe? So make we know. Say if you think this is all hype, because Koku Smoke has dropped the song on all platforms. You get the vibe? And I want you to judge or be the judge on this, or probably be in suspense so we go figure sort things out from boot camps. You feel the vibe? Yeah, because Koku Smoke, the way the guy he talk, he really ball. On the other side, I don't know if you know what stretch, no what we are not some good fee. The boy really know this. So yeah, that be how the vibe is day. You think say Shatta really jive the vibe on them thing, or you think say it be hype way they just they do. Because Shatta of all people where right now is still no reply. We Shatta of all people too where we know say he's too much talented to say the go Jai Smoky in song. They on their vibe sick. Trust me. I want you to be the judge on this one. Just this episode. They make we know. Say if really they vibe together like that of Kukusmoke in song, then Shatta Wale too in song. So yeah, my people, that's all we have for you guys today. Today's episode was sponsored by Gracie Frey Hair and Wig. Charlie, like I told you, that is the #1 stop that you guys need to go and purchase custom handmade wigs for your girlfriends. I mean, you guys should be. You don't understand? The over 57.99999 enquiries guys should you watch my videos. This bronya as it come. Trust me. Sconto. Italy need discount. It they top plenty. You feel the vibe? Go contact them for my Instagram page or via email. You feel the vibe? Monto correct wigs. And mama guess. No one looking fresh. You understand? And your wigs are man for back on session. No be my KBDC. You feel the vibe? So yeah, Gracie Frey Hair and Wigs was our sponsor today. So more people. Like this video. Drop your comments down below. You already know the name. The name is Type About aka Low Space, and I'm out of the